and don't let it come. Because you don't want those bubbles all over you for months and months. All right, everybody. That's it for you. Hey, let me take a very special balloon. One is for you. Make sure you take a special balloon and don't be shy.
Okay.
One for you.
I can accept defeat.
You can take one.
I can take one.
Just one for you.
Just one.
Because I have a special friend of yours to see next. But shh.
Oh.
Don't tell them yet.
They don't deserve this.
Stick them right from the top.
The one at the top?
Anyone, just go ahead, pull one right out of the ground.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
I got it.